Object coder, just a real quickie here. So the constructor, the beauty of the constructor is, for one thing, it's more concise. In this case, we have 3 lines. We're constructing the rectangle. We're setting width and height. And, for a more complex object, it would be more like, 5 lines of initialization. It's all condensed into one line for a constructor. It all happens right here. The other thing is the constructor can sort of make sure the object is constructed properly all inside that one method, whereas in this case here, it's again spread out. So let's just try it. That's how we learn, right? I'm going to get rid of this and we'll type it in. So let's see here. So we, without a constructor, in this case here, we would do something like the rectangle is equal to new rectangle, like such. And then we have the rectangle set width and whatever other setters we need to do, but in this case there's only 2. And we have rectangle set height and something like that. And we give that a run here. Actually, let's do the constructor as well. So the constructor, let's do that. In that case here, it's all into one line here. So we would go rectangle equals new rectangle. And we can construct it with something a little bit different. Values. And then we give that a run. And in both cases, we got what we expected, 10 by 5 and 100 by 98. But in this case, again, multiple lines and one line. That's the beauty of a constructor. That's using a constructor. And this is what the constructor looks like. Parameters coming in, and we initialize our ibars. Constructors almost always are initializing instance variables. So we construct the object, and it's implicitly returned. So there's no return type here, but it's implicitly returning a rectangle right here and here. Oops, right here. So that's that. We'll talk to you soon.